How to download games faster on PS5. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can download games faster on PS5, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to download games faster on PS5, many things actually occur over here. One is that instead of actually using your internet or your Wi-Fi, I would just recommend you go ahead and then set up a LAN connection, which means a wired connection directly from your router to your PlayStation console. To do this, you can just go to settings, go to set up internet connection and make sure that your LAN cable is connected. Then just select use a LAN cable and then you'll be able to configure all the settings. The other thing I would always recommend you do is simply always download one at a time. That's right. Always download one at a time. To check your current downloads, just press the PS button here from your main menu, and here you will find downloads and uploads. Select that. Select what are the processes that are downloading, uploading in the background. If there are the ones that are not needed, you can just go ahead and close them, and the downloads will be much more faster for one specific game. This way you'll be able to download games faster on PS5. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.